Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right. That's all right, dear my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
Blessings to all my wisdom warriors. I hope you guys are well. Anyway, me just get to the point, Me just have to get to the point, my viewers and subscribers, because me have some news for drop on over here today, and I'm not normal. So, the speaker accused of overstepping her authority in sending insult, reprimand to clerk to parliament. Wanna hear that? Speaker accused of overstepping her authority in sending insult, reprimand to clerk to parliament. Former Solicitor General Michael Hilton, King's Counsel, says the public service, which has a carefully constructed disciplinary procedure, and I hear that, disciplinary procedure in relation to public servants, does not contemplate that politicians, such as the Speaker of the House of Representatives, should have powers, now listen to this, should have powers to sanction or punish clerk to the House of Parliament. Valerie Curtis. Let me read this again, because this come in at the article today. And Juliet, she need to go down today, my viewers and subscribers. We're not having it. We're not having it. You understand? Because the mess up me is unacceptable. Who the hell she thinks she is? You don't know why she behave like that? Because she's the Prime Minister's wife. This is why I always say this is conflict of interest. This is why me come out and say it is a conflict of interest, because them do as them like and them do as them please. And me not hear PSOJ come out and say nothing about this, You see, if I did PNP do all them something here, the one president of the PSOJ were related to Siaga, must see Siaga son or something like that. Seriously, me not even want to get into him. Because you see, me have him to deal with today too. That one here. That one there. Me have the PSOJ president. Hey, I gonna beat and teach him, because the whole of them bias and them a tech side, because them a labor right. The PSOJ need for dismantle, my viewers and subscribers. And it's just the truth. It's just the truth. However, let me read this again for all who just come on. Blessings. Former Solicitor General Michael Hilton, King's Counsel, says the public service, which has carefully constructed disciplinary procedure in relation to public servants, does not contemplate that politicians, wanna hear that, such as the Speaker of the House of Representatives, should have powers to sanction or punish clerk to the House of Parliament. Valerie Curtis. So Juliet Holness have no right to do what she do. You see what she do? To Valerie, to Miss Curtis, you see what she do? She have no right. But you know why she do that? My viewers and subscribers, it is a strategy. Oh no, watch this now. It is a strategy. So what she want, she want avoid everything that is happening. So she want people to get confused and everybody start looking on Miss Curtis. And that she want, really the public, she want the public to stray away from her. She is the House of Representatives. She are the one send it back. Me sure no say, even if you have an assistant, and them have to come to you and say, I receive some report and this is what it say and that. You have to give them the go ahead to send it back. Then can't just send it back, take it upon themselves to send it back. Remember, it is a too special report, my viewers and subscribers. This special, this special, unless they don't know they act. Unless them don't know they act. But as far as me see, Juliet always know her act. Because when she in a parliament, Angela Brownberg stand up or any opposition stand up and ask her any question, she draft for legislation. You know, hear me? So she know what she did I do. I chose she never want the tax administration, money laundering, something come out. That's why she did hide it, my viewers and subscribers. This is why. You understand? So, this woman, Juliet Holness, need to go down, you know. She need to lift up from out of House of Parliament, you know. Because what she do now, she confuse the public. So the public, what she want the public to know, she want the public say, I know Juliet Holness fault. On her focus, and that are the little strategy where she come up with, you know. That are the best she could have come up with. For sure, this poor lady, she's been there for over 30 years. 30 years, and for sure her under the bus. So what she do now, she come up with a little strategy because she want to confuse the public. So all eyes come off of she and go upon Miss Curtis. But you see, all of the people that have wisdom and vision, all the well-thinking Jamaican, them know them. If them have sense, let me tell you, hey, them know say I chose she throw her under the bus. She used the woman as scapegoat to get off. So Jamaican people now attack her. Them are going to say, oh, I fear her fault, or the clerk fault, or the clerk do it. No. As she, Juliet Holness, do it. As she are the representative. That means she's not doing her bloody job, and that means she need to go. She need to get fire. But because she is the Prime Minister wife, which it is conflict of interest now, she do as she like, just like Andrew. Because him are the Prime Minister, him do as him like and him do as him please. And nobody no come out and say nothing. But when PNP do something wrong, PSOJ, me a call on out, me want to tag them, you know. PSOJ are the first one always a run out. PSOJ is the first one always running out. I'm tired of them. They need to dismantle. They need to come out of Jamaica. They need to lift up because they are not credible. And it's just the truth. Because I can see it. Listen, anytime nothing for PNP, they run out. Look what Juliet Holness do with the report. Look what Juliet Holness do with Curtis. Look what happened with the tax administration money, the 3.71 million or 317, one of them. Look what happened to the millions. Money laundering, you call that. Where is the PSOJ in this? Where is the PSOJ in this, my viewers and subscribers? Because them are labor right. These things are PSOJ. They need to be independent. They need to be independent bodies. Make it make sense. My wisdom warriors, we need to demonstrate about these things because Juliet Holness do things that she's not supposed to do. She not have no right to write no letter. But as me telling you already, she only use her brain. She only use her brain to the public. So now the public them all say, well, she never do it. I never Juliet fault. It was the clock. And that them a do. Them a play, hey, them a try manipulate the people. And that them a do. Damage control. The whole of them you see there. But then things say everybody a fool. But we want them know say, wisdom warriors are not fool around here. We are not fool around here. You understand? We're full of wisdom and we know exactly what is going on. Guys, you know, storm up the comment section, you know. Make me know what you think, you know. I want to know if you headspace depend this, you know. You understand me? Because there is going to be a time when me go come out and screenshot on the comments and read it out. You understand? Because guess what? All of my people them in the comment section have a voice too. You get me? And because you can't tell me and talk it out on yourself, me, I go be the one where I go put it up on my channel so everybody can see that. Anyway, hear this. Auditor General Pamela Monroe Ellis has confirmed that the Financial Services Commission incurred a 163 million loss. Wanna listen to this? Hey, my viewers and subscribers, my wisdom warriors. Auditor General Pamela Monroe Ellis has confirmed that the Financial Services Commission incurred a $163 million loss when Jamaica hosted the International Organization of Securities Commission Conference in 2017. Additionally to that, she said the agency failed to recover 4.7 million in statutory obligations for a former executive director and paid $28,000 to a consultant without an approved contract and terms of reference. My viewers and subscribers, my wisdom warriors, me tell you no say, me bring the daily news. This is in the article. You understand? And this is what the Auditor General say. So, that's why you see these things. You see Nigel Clark in a parliament, say red card, Nigel Clark, and them has something if you come out on red card. Them has something if you come out on red card, Nigel. You boy Nigel. Them something if you come out on red card. Where the money there? Una approve hey, them has something on money laundering, you know. Them has something on money laundering. You understand? This is why Mark Golding asks for transparency. This is why Mark Golding asks for transparency. And guess what? Auditor General back up Mark Golding on that. Because now the auditor is asking for transparency. Yes? Because $28,000 US. Yeah? Uno give to a consultant. Listen, my viewers and subscribers. To a consultant without an approved contract and terms of reference. Una hear that? So una claim, so una give somebody something. Listen to this, and my viewers and subscribers. Sometimes me have to laugh, you know. Because they really take people for idiot. So you tell me, so then take up $28,000 US taxpayer money. Give it to somebody. Give it to a consultant, yeah? Without an approved of contract and terms of reference. So not none of the pen of paper. So then just say it with them out. Yeah? So then just say, then give this to one consultant. Which business place, which government place I go do them the something there? Only in Jamaica. Me tell us that the whole of them are thief. The whole of them are thief. I mean, I stop burn them skin over here. Because the whole of them are thief. And they need to go down. They need to go down, my viewers and subscribers. They need to go down. Eh? Them need to go down. Seriously, on a serious note, this is heights of robbery. These are money laundering. This is wrong. This is taxpayers' money. When people are bought for machine, people have to travel all abroad. Yeah? We need all a burn unit. We need whole heap of equipment. People have to travel overseas and don't have so much money. Eh? We have so much money. I feel on a rotted whole pocket. And I remember nothing about Jamaican people. And when we come out and talk and lick out against the government, the whole of no vex. And go on, me tell you, say, the whole of no we are vex are dopey but. You don't have no wisdom, no vision, no knowledge, and no understanding. My viewers and subscribers, you see everything happen for a reason, you know. You don't know say everything happen for a reason. Listen, God expose them, you know, slowly but surely, you know. Listen, everything happen for a reason, my wisdom warriors. Because you see, if Juliet never dare keep up with her foolishness, Auditor General will come out. So God allow all of them something here to happen right now, you know. You know say what go on? Hey, my viewers and subscribers, me tell you know about them. Mark Golding is right. All along, Mark Golding is right. And where the PSOJ there? Where is the PSOJ? Where is the PSOJ? PSOJ, come out, my viewers and subscribers. Let me read when come out and say, hear this. Then me get back to this here. Say, PSOJ president described finance minister budget presentation as gentle and responsible. And them are something here, this a money I run with Nigel Clark. Them are people here, all of them winning. All him a labor right, you know. Him a labor right. So I don't understand why all the PSOJ should be independent. You understand? It shouldn't be an independent body. Not no labor right around all them something here. You understand? I have say in the government affairs. No, it don't be like that. You understand me? So this man come out now and I say how he described finance minister budget presentation as gentle and responsible. You may tell us so when if you come out and talk, they now come out and talk. Because if I did the PNP do all of them something with Juliet or Andrew Onless I do, all the tax money, the 300 and how much million tax money laundering. Yeah, we are go wherever it a go. My viewers and subscribers. This money wouldn't be the first one upon PNP case. If I did PNP do all of them something here we are up right now. Wanna hear me? So that's why I say, don't listen to the bag of nice. When I see them a come out, I fame them a look, a people them a look and feed them side. Me can't believe all them a people. This PSOJ need for dismantle. It need for dismantle because it have no substance, my viewers and subscribers. Not the back of that. They're one-sided. They're one-sided. I can see that. Oh, minister then come out and say nothing about Everall Warmington. Oh, they did come out and say Everall Warmington for resign. Yeah, just because they not made us. That's why. And then see everybody a lick out. Now Everall Warmington saying withdraw in resignation. So how me not say wanna run out? One of the things that people are eat that me they have to show up a whole lot. Can't go on like gonna take people for 4 round here. But you see me, I'm here for the Jamaican people. I'm here for my brothers and sisters. Yeah, because we want the best. We want the best for our country. We don't want people like Uno. We don't want people like Uno in our country. Because when I trick the Jamaican people and to enough for Uno, always I say the people them dunce. Because Andrew Wallace call Jamaican people fully done. So on the thing say Jamaica fully done. On the things that we are idiot around here, we're not no fool. My viewers and subscribers, want to tell me what to think about this PSOJ president. Because you see him, but you see, God, a God on time, you know. A God on time. Remember me telling you. Anyway, let me get back to this because something just pop up in the paper. Hear this. The Auditor General has found no evidence of widespread malpractice in the Financial Services Commission, FSC Human Resource Management. In a report tabled in Parliament yesterday, the Auditor General noted that based on stakeholder allegations of malpractice in its human resource management and procurement practices, a special audit was commissioned to determine the veracity of the allegations. The AG said, while no evidence of widespread malpractice was found, listen to this good now, you know. This is what, me don't want people just run with the part where they say, Auditor General finds no evidence of widespread malpractice at FSC. Listen to what the Auditor General said now. It's relating to what I was just talking about earlier on. The Auditor General said, while no evidence of widespread malpractice was found, there were, however, issues related to the FSC establishment that need to be finalized with the Ministry of Finance. And the AG said the FSC made payments of $28,000 US. The AG said the FSC made payments of $28,000 US and 4.8 million Jamaican dollars, which did not meet the policy and guidelines that govern them. My viewers and subscribers, as I said, the whole of them have money sit down pan because of what not too long ago, this just come out in the article. The one when I read to before. Yeah, you hear them did I say 28,000 given to consul. Yeah, council or something like that. 28,000 given to somebody and it wasn't approved for. No, the FSC made payments of the 28,000. So they make sure so they clear it off quick and fast. Hey, my viewers and subscribers, I think them people are easy. The FSC has been urged, listen to this now. The FSC has been urged to consider some recommendations made by the Auditor General to enhance the level of transparency in its human resource management practice. Want to hear that? This was what Mark Golding wanted all along. And this is what Mark Golding was coming out every time and saying, be transparent. When I say, when I take out this money here, I'm not going to do this, be transparent. And Andrew Wallace, now look. Him now look. So let me see if they're not going to look now. Because the Auditor General encourage them for that them for do and recommend that to them. So let me see what them are going to do. The AG explained that the FSC incurred a $4.76 million loss when it accepted liability for the statutory obligations of a former executive director. The FSC also breached the government procurement procedures when a consultant was contracted at a cost of $28,000 US by an executive director for February to September 2015 without any terms of reference. When you hear all them something here, me tell us that them figure, you see about them a come out and them a pay money, they figure prison. They figure prison. They mess up me and right, my viewers and subscribers. This not right and they now go change. Unless everything come transparent, they now go change. And I bet you they now go be transparent. The only thing you're going to take here, Andrew, we run out and say, oh, and we're giving that 15 billion, and we're giving the water that, and we're giving the water. Sure, we're on paper. Be transparent. Be transparent like Integrity Commissioner Auditor General. The Auditor General recommended that the FSC seek to resolve with the Finance Ministry outstanding matters related to its establishment and recruitment practices and improve transparency in its HR processes. In addition, the Auditor General said the FSC should seek to recover the overpayment of $4.76 million in statutory obligations. My viewers and subscribers, you see them as something always happen. Yeah, how them a do things and things not approved. There's something I come under money laundering, you know. You see this, they feel held accountable for these things, you know. Because you see, if it was a normal man do that and never politician, hey, you got prison so till you piss up. Remember me telling you that. You understand? Them a people here. Them a people have to get punished for these things. They need to go to prison for these things. It is wrong and it is unacceptable. It is unacceptable. So what them do now, they don't want to go to court. They don't want to go to court. They don't want to go to prison. So they make sure so they take them time to pay off. But you see, my viewers and subscribers, me telling about them. You see, when me come and talk, I say the reason why me come and always talk and want Jamaican people. You think none of this are going to change? Listen, the Auditor General encourage them and recommend them to do that, to be transparent. She only recommend them. You understand? That not means that them are going to do it. Remember, say all the wife like to do what she like to do, you know. You understand? And they don't care about nobody, you know, my viewers and subscribers. Nobody, you know. They don't care about Jamaican people. You see all of the money they would then use. You see all of the money they use could have helped by a lot of things. And do a lot more for Jamaican people. A lot more. A whole heap of people hungry. A whole heap of people can't find food. Them a whole heap of, don't get enough taxpayer money, you know. At least give some people, give back some elderly every week or every month. Give some, what would I say? Least people that is vulnerable. You know, give them back something. You know, if you get them back on them feet. You have whole heap of businesses where through the pandemic, them business, they can't open them business again because no money help small business. You understand? At that me say, my viewers and subscribers, me have to look out for my Jamaican people. And when they have, remember, you know, and you only collect over how much? Over 88 billion taxpayer money and you only collect. So you tell me, say, and you only can take out 20 billion out of the 88 and help the people them all over in Jamaica. What I mean help? People with small businesses. People, you have some people, when would I say now? You have some people, disabled people. You have elderly people. Come on, man. Come on. Help the people them in your country. And that's why me come out. And that's why I want to see me out here, you know. I know nothing else, you know. Because I want the best for my country. My wisdom warriors. Want to storm up the comment section now. Tell me one thing. Like up the video. Share it out. And subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome and big up on the nice clean self. I'm out.